Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. I'm not going to be doing any work on Night Owl today. Basically this video is just to say thank you to all the subscribers out there. I've reached 2,000 subscribers, so thank you for following my channel. Got a lot more videos to come on this guy, a lot more videos on my YJ, and also a few more on my wife's Liberty. I'm going to be selling that pretty soon, so that's going to be gone. But I do have a couple other projects I'm thinking about picking up, and so anyways, I just want to say thanks for joining me on this project, and thanks for joining my channel. Remember to always like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Alright guys, remember it's built, not bought. See you on the next one.